policy. How about you? Anything in this healthcare sector? I saw Pfizer this week. It's something like 17 times earnings. It just seems to me that I don't know how you go wrong ahead of a merger finalized between Pfizer and Pharmacia buying Pfizer 17 times earnings. But maybe there's something cheaper and better. Give me some names.
Yeah, we've been buying Wyeth. We think low exposure to generics. Pharmaceutical spending has gone up and continues to defy logic in that regard, despite efforts by Congress. It's trading at 14 times earnings and has just come off of a pretty difficult period. Great pipeline. We also like Abbott. Early approval of Humira is a good thing, and we think that from here, at these levels, you can do pretty well with the stock. So we've been buying the pharmaceuticals. We've started to look at some of the providers, Tenet and Cigna, but we're a little worried about all the noise around the group, so we haven't done anything yet. But I think healthcare is definitely a great place to be, and if it were a little cheaper, we'd be buying more Genentech, but we own plenty at the moment.
Yeah, the president's very likely to have a pro-market competition reform plan, both for overall health care and for drugs. See how they'll probably trash that the way they trashed his tax cut plan. Nancy Tengler.
It's your tax cut plan.
I hope at the end of the day it's going to be all of our tax cut plans.
You and me both.
Nancy Tengler, if I bought into this uncertainty, war, Iraq scenario, et cetera, where would you, as a portfolio manager, suggest we run and hide? What kind of cash, what kind of bonds, what kind of stocks, and which sectors? In other words, where do I go here?
In our globally allocated portfolios, Larry, we have been at the margin increasing our exposure to global inflation-linked bonds and global bonds in general. Because of the higher yields and because of the sovereign nature, we're pretty comfortable with our exposure. In the U.S., the consumer stocks, which would be your traditional defense, are too expensive. And so as odd as it sounds, we've been balancing our exposure to technology, which we've been increasing, with things like the pharmaceuticals and some of the healthcare exposure. At these valuation levels, you're paying 25 times next year's earnings for Cisco, for example. We're pretty comfortable with the going forward performance of those stocks from here.
Just quickly, either one of you, first, Jeff, I own